Hello everyone. So in this video I will show how you can write a unit test case for your service. So on the left side, if you can see, we have this project folder called src main java, and in the same level, if you'll see, we have resources and then test, right? So this is where you write your unit test cases, and generally what we do is we try to follow the same package structure what we have done in our main. So if you want to write a unit test case for app service, we have to create the service package and a class called app service test. So this is just a convention, you don't have to follow exactly like this, but generally this is what is followed in industry, right? So let's call app service test, and on package we want to call this service. Okay, finish. Now this is done. Now to let the Spring Boot know that this is a test class, what we have to do is we have to add an annotation called Spring Boot test. And now to write our actual test cases, what we have to do is we just have to create a method. We try to prefix it with test, and next would be the method name. Okay, now to get the object of this app service, this SOT, system under test class, we use auto-wired. So app service, what you can do is you can do auto-wired. So Spring Boot will automatically create this object for you, right? And now we want to get the message from the service, get welcome message, assign this to a string value. Now because for this unit test case we are not providing any environment variable for welcome message, so the expectation is that this method should return this default value, right? Welcome exclamation. So we'll create another variable which would be this, right? Now to assert that these two messages are equal, there are lots of assertion method available. Now because we want to do an equal to, there is a method called assert equals, where you can expected provide expected, and here welcome message, right? Now to run this unit test case, you just have to right click, and this here generally it comes as JUnit, but here it is not coming because we have not marked this method as a test case. So to do that, we just have to do this, add this annotation to annotate that this is actually a test case. Now if you right click, go to run, and you will see this option JUnit test. Right click here. As you can see, our test case has passed, right? For example, let's say there would have been some typo, okay, in our main application. Now when this unit test case will run, this will get failed, and you can click on each test case and see what was the reason that it got failed. Here we expected welcome, but actually it returned an additional E, right? So to fix that, we just have to change this back and run this again. As you can see, now this test case has passed. In the next video, I will show how you can test with mocking using Mockito to mock this REST template, so that to test this method we don't have to actually hit this API. That's it for this video.